Watering a tree is vitally important because it kind of helps it grow. Not kind of, but it does. The first year, you want to water it 5 gallons a week. So that's kind of just taking one of those big painter's bucket you get at Home Depot and putting it on the tree, except you want to sort of scope it out over the week. So what you do, that's an easy way to water it, is you put a hole through the bottom of the bucket, you fill it up, and then you put it right next to your tree, and that kind of waters it throughout the week, and all you gotta do is fill it up when it's empty. Depending on where you live, depends on how much it rains, so kind of water your tree in addition to the rain. Don't water it too much if it rains a lot, and don't water it too little if it doesn't rain all that much. You want to make sure that you water your trees a few days or right after you plant it, because it helps it. Along with watering, staking is also very important. Depending on the tree, if you're going to plant a tree this big, it doesn't need staking. But if you're going to plant a tree about my height, which is like 5 foot, you want to stake it, but you want to make sure that you stake it correctly. So when you start staking, you want to put the stake at an angle. That kind of angle, like here's your tree, there's your stake. You want to have it at like that kind of angle. And make sure that the ropes aren't too tight around it, around the tree trunk, and that it's sort of in the center of the tree, not like too near the top or too near the bottom. You want to make sure that you maintain your stakes and like your ropes to make sure that the tree is growing healthy, because if you put a stake in and it's there too long, it can weaken the tree. Stakes are there to help it grow straight, but if it's there too long, the tree begins to be too dependent on the stakes and the ropes, so it doesn't really build on its trunk. You want to make sure that after the first year or year and a half, you take off the ropes if it's grown correctly, because then the trunk can kind of grow over the ropes. That can lead to problems. And then once the tree is big enough, you just take the stakes out, but make sure that someone who knows how to do that does that. When you are looking for putting in the stakes, make sure that you know who's actually putting it in, if it's supposed to be you or the city. If you have to do it, make sure that you know how to do it and you have the equipment to do it and that you're safe with it, because I've watched a man try to put a stake in without actually necessarily knowing how to do it, and he has a scar right here, right across his forehead.